Wait. No, wait. Calm down. Wait, calm down.
My G.
No, stop.
It was a funny moment when Phyno catches our Grammy Award winner Wizkid eating and tearing suya inside his car. Wizkid burst into laughing after his colleague caught him devouring suya at the back of his car. The duo in the short clip appears not to have seen themselves for a while, and upon seeing each other, Phyno wasted no time to capture the moment Wizkid was eating loads of suya meat inside Lamborghini. The bad-to-me crooner laughed nervously as Phyno urged him to calm down while showing the suya spread out on paper. It might interest you to know that Wizkid is undoubtedly a die-hard fan of suya. In December 2022, Wizkid was spotted paying over 200k for a single suya in Ghana.
Stop, boy!
Baba.
Let me hear what. Gotta go that way, though.
Guys, ensure you subscribe to our channel as we always bring you all the latest updates about Nigerian and African celebrities.
Wait. No, wait. Calm down.
My G.
No, stop.
Stop, boy!
Baba.
Let me hear what. Gotta go that way, though.
Let's take a look at the reaction of some Nigerians. Guys, no matter what you face in life, don't forget to eat suya. Once you put suya for your mouth, you will feel instant relief as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys, for every latest updates about our Nigerian and African celebrities. Thank you.
You ready for Starboy Wizkid? Make some noise! Let me hear you sing, yeah. Yeah. I love you too, man. 1, 2, go! My days, sing it! Chineke me wo mama, rigin kendin so.